It takes a team to operate the best ships. Our ships are our product.
They provide our customers with reliable and safe transportation of their cargoes.
We dedicate our time, energy, and enthusiasm to make sure our ships operate safely and efficiently.
Everyone works hand in hand. We board our ships and from our offices to ensure we operate the best ships.
We make sure that our quality is industry leading. By working together,
we can make this happen.
It takes a team to operate the best ships.
Why does a ship dry dock? Every ship has got a survey cycle, which usually lasts for 5 years. So the dry docking of the ship has to be done to coincide with the survey cycle, which results in the ships getting their trading certificates renewed. This essentially is a license to trade.
See, the dry dock is basically for hull. The rest, all the jobs we can do when the vessel is afloat. The main important thing is we do the proper painting for the vessel. And the next thing is our part, which is always underwater. We do a thorough checking.
Depending upon the work scope, the capital investments that we need to make, we work with our commercial team to decide on where we need to dock the ship.
We have to collaborate with commercial chartering, which side of the world we should be planning to dock her. So that's a big decision. The partnerships comes to play. How good are we with the partnerships with the shipyards? And we having our own commercial team helps a lot, a big way.
So we have a long-term cooperation partnership with Teekay tankers. As a shipyard, it's very important that we have a full support from the ship owner during dry docking services. So when we are working with Teekay, we feel very safe, especially because we know that we will have full cooperation, full support of the technical team. So this is very important for a shipyard. So that's why working with Teekay tankers is a high standard also for our shipyard.
The planning for the docking starts months in advance. Chartering team works with technical team to find the right voyages to fix the ships closer to their intended docking location.
If you think about Teekay as a whole, the whole company is a collaboration. So you've got the chartering side, you've got the operations, the voyage managers that are running the ships, telling them where they're going, what they're doing. You've got the technical teams, you've got the vetting departments, making sure the ships are running smoothly. And then you've got the people on the ships as well.
As a chief engineer, I ensure that all of my team members are familiar regarding what all jobs need to be carried out for that particular day. Dry dock is a place where a lot of people come on board, technicians, third-party survey. So it is required to have better coordination.
Dry dock is differently from the normal operations. It's a special project. Many people involved. They perform not only within our small team, also we have to look bigger pictures. So entire team, including supply vendors, we are all in the same team.
Obviously, it has to be executed in safe manner without injury in time margins and within budget. Yes, so money, money is money. Yes.
If we don't keep a very good track on what we are spending on, things can just go out of hand, right?
A dry dock entails a significant expense to the company and has an effect on the operational performance of a vessel till her next major overhaul.
If there's a data inaccuracy when we are doing the dry dock process, we would definitely need to re-review the full cost again to make sure that all the costs are captured correctly and accurately.
When I get the report, I check to make sure that the actual cost matches the general ledger. And then this report then goes to our corporate reporting team, our T&K accounting team, and also the financial advisory and analysis department.
Dry docking is one of the areas where I do work very closely with the technical team. Over the years, working both with the technical team and our procurement people, we have built up relationships with a number of yards. We have standard terms and conditions, or we then work with new yards that we've less experience with to make sure that we get the right terms and conditions to protect the ship and the yard and make sure everything goes smoothly.
I'm just lucky to be heading such a competent team. And for me, immense pride to be working in this capacity in Teekay with such wonderful people. What we can achieve together, whether it is from a docking perspective or vessel operations, I actually cannot even put a limit on what we can do together.